Hey there guys, it's me again, Foxy. So, it has been quite a while since we last made one of these opening boxing reviewing videos, mostly unboxing. But yeah, my owner has been away for a while, or for a long while. So yeah, we have 2 boxes to open up for you guys, but we also have 5 other models that my owner found in England, where she has just been spending last of her days. Well, 3 of these models aren't from any special brand, but yeah, we wanted to share them with you. Some of you may be fans of the show and everything. Yeah, it's models from a show. So, why don't we just ask them to come up? Come on, you guys, you can come up now. They're kind of big, just to let you know. So, yeah, like I said, big. It doesn't go. So, yeah, I'm going to let my owner explain everything since I'm not good at explaining stuff. So, yeah, take it away. So, yeah, you guys, like Foxy said, I found this model, or this toy horse, which is supposed to be from Spirit Riding Free show, and I think this one name was Nibbler. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, he's actually really cute, to be honest. I mean, I love the face he has. It looks like he's so sweet kind of face. And he has spots, lots and lots of spots, and 2 white hoof socks. And what was surprising for me was the ears are bendy. They're not hard like himself, like you can hear, but it's more like rubbery. But yeah. And the other 2 I got with him, I got Crow. I don't know if this is supposed to be, if he's in the spirits herd or if he's an Indian horse, since I don't watch the show. But I actually wanted these just because they're cute and they're not available in my country. Not a lot of models are available. And he has kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but he has kind of black spots over him. I love the face. He has like a cute face. Aww. And the markings. I actually love the paint job on him. Like the sun over here, and it looks like he has an eagle flying around. But yeah, this one is Crow. And the next one, actually, this one is my favorite one, Tambourine. Maybe it's because of the color or the pose, but I just love this guy. He is just beautiful. The standing position and everything. I don't know what kind of breed he's supposed to be, but to me he reminds me of maybe of a Napstrapper or Andalusian, but the apples remind me of an... Did I say Appaloosa? Yeah. But the apples remind me of an Napstrapper. But yeah, I like his face this here. He also has a cute face and has little spots on him to a year. He has a snout, schmout. And of course 4 socks, like always, and flowy tail. Yeah. Now the other models that we have, the other 2 I found in England, are not from Spirit Riding Free or anything like that. I found this model. A Papo Knight horse. This is an old version of a Papo Knight. It says the year... What is this? 2002. Well, he's old. He has like the silvery armor on him. Like a little unicorn horn on the face mask. He has gray something over his hooves. And it's a male, of course. And yeah. And the next one, I actually like the armor on this one. And yes, this one is also from Pablo. And he's kind of brownish, like a brownie, red brownie. And he's from the year also 2002. And he has movable bridle. I don't know what you call this in your country, but in my country we call it a tøymer. But yeah, I love the cloak on him. And he has a silvery saddle, golden face mask. And it looks like he's supposed to be having husio since there are like these spots going on. You can see. Yeah. But anyway, these are the models I found in England. So yeah, now we're gonna unbox the ones I've been waiting extra long for. And I'm not kidding, I've been waiting long for them. So here is the box. It's kind of big, so I'm just gonna open them and open it. And then you guys are gonna be with me when we check what's in it. Alright. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's not the best one. But yeah. Here we have just a paper, stuff, papery, another papery. And of course, let's open this one first. So this, I know what model these are, and all of these are Schleich models. Yeah. Ah! Aww. And it's the cute Connemara Mare. Connemara Pony Mare, I think it was. Oh, look at this cutie. Isn't she cute? Oh, has a little white sock over here. It's kind of nice color. As you can see. Yeah, I'm sorry about this. I'm using this as my stand for my camera. It says 2017, so it's 2018, and oh, she's just such a cutie next to my skull dragon. I found this in the Christmas shop in England. I don't know why I bought it, but I'm a crazy dragon fan. And yeah, she's cute. So next we're gonna open. We have, I think her name was Hannah, but I don't remember the horse's name. Yeah, I'm gonna open the box. Oh, it looks like it is a bit open. Maybe some of you guys have already seen videos of them, so I'm not gonna go into full details, but here we have the horse, and of course the human and the bridle and saddle. Oh, you can open it like this. Nice saddle, if I'm honest. Here we have the saddle with the red blanket under, or saddle pad, and the bridle. Looks like it's supposed to be. Oh, just turn it around. Turn it around. Come on. I'm gonna think of this later. And of course we have, I think her name was Hannah. I don't remember. I actually like it that's like have made them now movable with the sitting and everything. So I don't know how to. I know there is on their YouTube page. You can see how to put them on the horses. But yeah, keep this aside. And now we're gonna check. I think it was Cayenne or something. And if I remember correctly, it was supposed to be the quarter horse. Okay, this one, he's beautiful. Kind of big, to be honest. And a little chubby. Big chubby. And I think it's supposed to be the gelding. I don't know much to say about this model, but I love the socks. And I have to be honest, it kind of reminds me of the Arabian that came, what year? 2016 or 15? The brown Arabian, not the older version. The one who has the sparkly stuff on his tail. But I love that he has like these red ribbons in him. And he's in like this walking pose. And yeah. But I don't know much to say about him. So we're gonna let him walk away. So we're gonna open the next one. And it's probably the 3 of the other girls. I ordered all the girls in the same order, so. And Connemara Mare was just a bonus. Yes, like I said. Here we have the other 3 inside. So we're gonna start with Sophia and Blossom. Now, I already have a model named Blossom, so I don't know if I have to change that model's name or this one's name. Or I know that there can be a lot of Blossoms. So here we have the mare. And of course the stuff that comes with her. So here we have her saddle and saddle pad and bridle. And her saddle pad looks almost identical to Hannah's saddle pad, but this one looks more purple. Like hers is more red, as you can see. Red and purple, purple and red. Yeah. And here we have the bridle. It's this kind of brownish, caramel brownish, coffee brownish, something. Here we have Sophia. Over here, this is Sophia. I love a braid in her hair. She has a little symbol, horse club symbol. Of course, she's movable too. Ah, she doesn't stand. She doesn't want to stand. Whee, now she's standing. But yeah. Actually love. Ah, she has a bow on her back. Yeah, it's cute. And of course, the riding pants and the riding boots. But yeah. But as always, I'm always after these magnificent creatures. So here, oh, she is pretty. I think she was supposed to be an Andalusian mare. She kind of reminds me of the Lusitano mare that comes with the little stable stall. But yeah, she also has this. Her and Sophia are almost identical with the hair and with the flower on it. It's actually cute. I actually love the color. I actually love the color white and with like this yellow goldenness hair color. It's just amazing. I have a horse, a gelding who is white, but a mare who has this kind of a mangy color, but she has like red and brown in it as well. But yeah, I actually have Icelandic Pony Mare model, which is so identical to my horse. It's funny. And another Slag model, the Icelandic Stallion exclusive, is almost identical to my Icelandic horse, which I'm still training. But here we have, like I said, I don't remember the names. But yeah, they should have a name tags or something on him. So here we have the next girl. Ooh, girl, I'm gonna show you the world. And of course, alright, now that I've noticed, now they have, what, 4 models in this post from this year. Like, there are three mares, and now there's 1 gelding. Or was he a stallion? I don't remember. So we're gonna take this in the same order as we did with the others. Here we have the saddle pad, and she has brown as well. I think it's almost the same brown as... Yep, it's the same brown. I think it's just the saddle pads, and she, of course, has softer coloring in hers. But the saddle pad on her is like sea green. I actually like the color on it. It actually fits the shirt or the vest she's wearing. Yes, she's wearing a vest. And no helmet. Here we have the bridle. If we have seen 1 bridle, we've seen them all. Now we're gonna take the girl out. I think one of them's name was Sarah, and the other was Robin or something. Here we have another girl. I don't know if this was who this was again. If you guys know, it would be awesome too. Yeah. She has this braid in her hair, like curly hair. I was gonna say mane. Of course, the riding boots, they almost all have the same. No, not everyone. Oh, okay. But I've been noticing the saddle pads are in the same color as the vests or the shirts or the sweaters that the girls are wearing. Ah, here we have... Oh, they made him. Alright. He has a little stuff on him. Oh well. But here we have... what's his name again? Storm. Yeah, that was Storm. Ooh, it just came to me. He's actually pretty neat. He has 1 sock, and if I think about it, I have a concha on this mold. If you would say it like that. Yeah, I have a concha. I have all the 4 mares. 3. There are 3. There's 1 Hanoverian mare, the one who is kind of brown. The other one who has 4 socks and who came with a rider. And then there is the exclusive one. I have her as well. But yeah, this one, I actually like him. He has green, I don't know, braid in him. Oh, it's kind of strange. I don't know why, but I feel like he's a little bit bigger than the mares for some reason. But hey, it's a gelding, so I'm gonna make him walk away. I don't know, I'm not saying a lot about the models, or at least not the horses, but yeah. And now we're gonna take the last one. And if I remember correctly, this was supposed to be an Arabian. But I don't remember the name. Not even on the girl. It's sad. So sad. We have the last box. So this is the last box. And here we have the saddle and the bridle, of course. Her saddle pad is greenish, as you can see here. She has the same saddle color as Sophia, I think. Yeah. And then there's the bridle. Not much to say about it. Then there's the girl, which I don't remember the name of. She also has a bracelet on her. The saddle club, yes, horse club bracelet. She also has like this braided crown on her head, as you can see. But yeah, I'm still loving the way that they can move. Now we're gonna check the horse. Alright, to be honest, I haven't seen an unboxing video on this horse. But it's actually pretty... Oh, see, a little... Alright, I'm gonna ask you something. Do you see any difference here? Do you see it? The horse on the box, he's looking in the other direction, and with the left front leg up. But when you take the model out the box, he has his head turned to the left and his right front hoof leg turned up. Yeah, that's one thing I don't understand. It's like the way they make them look in the on the box and the way they make them look. Alright, it's the same with him, the Hanoverian Storm. As you see, as you saw. I mean, look, it's not the same pose, you guys. Or it's the same pose, but in the wrong direction. But yeah, this one is actually kind of cute. I love the color on him. This color is almost identical to my mare. He's just like, ooh, I'm a little bit fancy. But yeah, actually I love, he has the braids in him. I don't know what's with Schleich and braided models, but yeah, they really love putting braids in the models. But yeah, so here we have one of them. I don't remember his name. Was it a he? No, it's a her. I don't remember her name. Here we have Cayenne. Here we have Storm. And of course, Blossom. I'm gonna check on something. I'm gonna see if I can find the name on the last one. I wanna know it since I got a catalog from Schleich. No, from Model Preferred. So I'm gonna check it out if I can find it. That's, yeah. Alright, Horse Club. Here it is. We have the Horse Club. Wait a minute. I don't think they are here. Okay. Her name was Lisa. And her name was Sarah. And of course, I knew the names on the other. But there is nothing about the horses themselves. But yeah, I was talking about this mare. See the pose. And if I remember, I think the other one is in here as well. I think. Yeah. And here's the other mare that comes with the rider. But the exclusive one isn't in the catalog. So I don't know if I can find the names, but I don't think it matters much. To be honest. But yeah. Actually, it doesn't matter that much to me, so. But yeah, anyway. So, all of these are the models. These are the models I ordered, but the other 5, which I showed you first, are from England. So yeah, these are all our models. I actually like them all. Especially the mares. I always love the mares. You can be a creep, you know, Foxy. What do you mean by that? I'm not a creep. Yeah, if you say so. Owners, they're all the same. But anyway, so yeah, this is probably gonna be the last opening video for this month, this year, at least. So if you want something else, like if you want a collection tour about about our models or something, don't be shy to ask us. Or if you want maybe a collection tour of everything, like all the models we have, which are kind of pretty much it's kind of a lot, to be honest. But if there's one thing we don't have, it's a stable. We don't have a stable. No stable. None of that. Nothing. So you can't ask us for a stable tour. But you can ask us about anything else. You don't have to be shy about it or afraid of it. We won't take it personally, if we're honest, or if I'm honest. But yeah, so if you want maybe a collection tour, maybe just our exclusive models, since we have some of them, you will be able to see the other Hanoverian mares he was talking about in the video. So Yeah, I don't know if you would call the Connemara Pony Mare an exclusive, but she's some special model from Slijk this year. I don't know what, some cup special, but yeah. And of course, I'm an exclusive model. I mean, why not? I mean, look at me. I'm so handsome and pretty, and everyone loves me.
Not everyone, Foxy.
Who said that?
No, just your average unicorn.
If that's you, Moripa, you better come down here and say this.
Why should I?
Well, why not?
Because I don't want to. You can stay down there yourself.
You know what, guys? I think I have to go now to talk to my sister over there. Oh, that top shelf over there. Jeez. Yeah. So, like always, stay magical, be kind to one another, and yeah, comment down below what you want to see. And, of course, subscribe, and yeah, that's about it. Alright, see you guys.